Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Samsung Notes to iPhone Notes. First of all you have to do is open your phone's settings. Once the settings has been opened, all you have to do is scroll down a bit until you see password, passkeys and autofill. Click on it. From here you have to you have to find out your Google account, the main Google account that you're using with your Notes account. After that you have to click on account sync. From here all you have to do is find Keep Notes or any Notes application. If any Notes application is mentioned here, you have to check there. If it's available here, you have to turn it on, and all you have to do is click on the three-dotted button and click on Sync Now. Then everything on your Google account will start to sync. Then all you have to do is go to your iPhone settings and click on Calendar, click on Add Account and select your Google account and sign in with the exact same Google account that is synced with your Samsung Notes account. There is also a step 2. If the step 1 didn't work for you, all you have to do is open your Notes app and open any of your note. All you have to do is click on the three-dotted button, click on Send, and there will be 2 options, Send via other apps. Click on it. From here you have to select your Google Drive or any other cloud account. For example, if I select my Drive and if I save my notes into my Google Drive, if I click on save, so after doing that, all I have to do is open my iPhone and sign in with the same Google Drive account and download that note into my iPhone. If it doesn't work for you, there's also a method number 3, which is clicking on send. If you click on send button, and then you have to send via other apps, and then all you have to do is select Gmail. From here you can email your notes into your other email that is signed in into your iPhone, and that's how you can transfer Samsung Notes to iPhone Notes. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.